can save us from keeping clean.
Alright guys, are you looking for some items to create more cinematic shots with stuff you already have at home? Well, then it's a perfect match. In this video, I want to reveal 3 simple hacks that any cinematic lover can use to transform their videos. And the best thing is, you already have those items at home. I think number 2 is freaking amazing, and I love the results which I've got while I use that hack. So let's go. But before we start, let me show you some of my favorite scenes which I've created in the last couple of months.
Help me see all the birds and all the bees and all the trees. Help me feel everything around me. Help me in vibrations of the universe.
And now let's talk about the first cinematic hack. All we need is a frame. Well, actually, we need the glass from the frame. You ask, okay, why? Let me show you guys.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat sometimes quaint.
How do you guys like that tip? Let me know in the comments down below. Before I will show you hack number 2 today, I want to ask you guys, what is your favorite movie? Joker is one of my favorite movies when it comes to cinematic movies. And now guys, let me know, what is your favorite movie when it comes to cinematic? The word cinematic is overused, but also I just love it somehow. Okay, let's go to hack number 2. By the way, actually, I'm a portrait photographer and I'm specialized in creative hacks. And because of that, I wrote a book where I show you which photo hacks you can try at home with simple household items. For example, you can create portraits like this or that just by using stuff you already have at home. Sadly, this book is only available in German. But who knows, maybe I will write an English book in the future. I think, yes, could be cool. But let's go back in today's topic. Imagine you are at home sitting in your bathroom holding one cheap lamp in your right hand while the left one is holding a reflector. Yep. That's me, sitting on the floor in my bathroom because it's the only room where I can play around with lights in the daytime, because all my other rooms have a lot of windows. That's nice, but sometimes it can be a little bit, I don't know, it's difficult when you want to have a black room. So yeah, I was sitting in my bathroom, as I told you before, and creating some cinematic scene, I think, with one cheap lamp. Okay, now it's time for the last tip of today's video. And before I open it up, I want to show you the scene first and then I tell you what I've done. Crazy, isn't it? Okay, that was it for today. You've got 3 different tips which you can try at your home. And yes, you're still watching, then wait, I have another tip for you, but only because you are here in the end with me. So let me give you another hack. Hack number 4, just for you. Okay, but that was it for today. Hopefully you've got some inspiration, and let me know what's your favorite movie and which scene you like the most in the comment section below. And if you want, check out my most clicked short movie. And by the way, it was my first short movie ever, and it's crazy that it's still the most clicked. I've linked it in the first comment. Thanks for watching, and I wish you always the best light, because as you already know, the light is the most important thing when it comes to filmmaking or when it comes to photography. So, I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you want, give me a like, follow my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye. Christina.